If you want to know how to put on the Breg Cube pads, you came to the right spot. We're going to show you how to do it step by step, fast and easy. Hi, it's Steve from My Cold Therapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the video where you can find linked in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. Cold therapy is an awesome way to help relieve your pain and swelling after surgery, injury, or just a hard day of being a weekend warrior. So how do you properly use a cold therapy device? Well, I'm going to show you the proper way how to do this end to end. And once we're done, I'm going to show you the #1 trick to make your cold therapy experience easier. All right, how do we do this? Michelle, take us through the steps of the application of the Breg Cube pads.
The first thing we need to do is make sure that the pad and the part number are correct. You would do this by looking at the front right corner of the pad where the part number will be listed on the white label. Notice this is a sealed bag, and once the sealed bag has been opened, it cannot be returned. You will be getting a flyer with your pad that shows the different connectors. The Cube and Kodiak systems have different connectors. So please be sure to make sure that you order the correct pad. The other item you're going to get is a skin warning flyer. You never want to put the cold pad directly on your skin, as it could cause some damage or some frostbite. And the universal protocol for cold therapy is 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. Also, please make sure to check with your doctor for any other instructions while you're using the cold therapy device, just to be on the safe side. To protect your skin, we sell sterile pads for each cold therapy pad on our website. You can also use a thin towel or a t-shirt, but please don't put the pad directly on your skin. They come in a sealed package, and this is how you apply them. First, you're going to open the sealed package and remove the dressing. Once you open the dressing, you'll notice there are some tabs. Remove those tabs. Once you remove them, you're ready to stick the dressing onto the pad. Press it firmly into place, and now you're ready to apply it to your body part.
So in this case, we're treating a knee today, but this is a multi-use pad, so there's a couple of rules of thumb. You can, if you're a smaller person or a child, you can use this for your shoulder. But we always say you can use the multi-use pad anywhere as long as it's comfortable. Michelle is going to show us on the knee right now.
So once your sterile dressing is in place, you're ready to apply it to the body part. Now for this instance, we're putting the larger part around the thigh area. You're going to take the strap and wrap it around until it is securely in place. Then do the same with the lower part. And the Velcro straps are adjustable, so you can loosen them and tighten them as needed. Now you're ready to connect the hose from the cooler to the hose on the pad. Before you do that, press down the 2 metal tabs. Once these 2 pieces connect, you're going to hear them snap, which lets you know that it's secure. Once you've done that, take your power supply, plug it into the back of the lid, and then this part plugs into the wall. As you can see, we have our cooler somewhat level with the body part that we're treating. You can have it on the floor or on a chair, and it'll still work fine, but it is optimal to have it somewhat level with the body part that you're going to treat. And now you're ready to begin your treatment.
Great job, Michelle, in showing us how to do that. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm going to show you our #1 trick to help make things easier for you. We have freeze bags that you can use in the cooler, and they come in packs of 12. You place 3 in the cooler and the rest in the fridge, and then you just keep rotating the bags. This way, especially if you're alone, you don't have to keep chasing after ice, and your refrigerator will have a really hard time keeping up anyway. Now that you know how to use your cold therapy machine, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.